A collision between the Earth and the Sun would be an exciting and mysterious event. In this unique episode, we will see what can happen before and after a collision occurs. Introduction. Earth and Sun are two important elements of our solar system. These two are located across vast distances in the universe, and yet, while we cannot see them, we experience their reality. Here we will consider a hypothetical situation where the Earth collides with the Sun. Before the collision. Before a collision between the Earth and the Sun occurs, a variety of events can occur. First, we have to understand the origin of this situation. What could happen that would cause the Earth to move away from its harmonious path towards the Sun? 1. Gravitational influence. The Earth moving out of the Sun's orbit, which can change its gravitational influence. This could cause cosmic change on a large scale and lead to the origin of new elements. 2. Effects of gas and sunlight. Changes can occur under the influence of the Sun's heat and light, causing great changes in the Earth's environment. Due to the generation of new substances and gases, new animals and bacteria can arise. 3. Unique view. If we observe this event carefully, the meeting of the Sun and the Earth can create a unique sight. The new detour and strange environment can make us feel like moving towards a unique solar coast. After the collision. Now we will see what can happen after the collision and what could be its environmental impacts. 1. Spherical transformation. After the collision occurs, major changes may occur in Earth's speed and direction. This could lead to changes in the Earth's structure in terms of new cycles, day-night changes, and changes in time as a result of the intense motion and force between the Sun and Earth after the collision. These changes can be of different types. 2. Weather and climate change. As a result of the collision between the Sun and the Earth, marked changes in weather and climate may occur. New climate systems may form and weather temperatures may change, creating suitability for new creatures and plants in different regions of the Earth. 3. Origin of life. This collision could mark the beginning of a new chapter in which new life forms could arise. Here, by combining the unique energy of the Sun and the outline of the Earth, a new life stream can form and develop. 4. Cosmic change. This collision could cause massive changes in the universe, giving us the opportunity to discover new elements, constellations, and other stars. Ending. In this research, we have imagined what the typical outcome of a collision between the Earth and the Sun might be. It is clear from this presentation that such an event has the potential for new perspectives, new life, and vast changes in the universe. What do you think? Please share your thoughts and let us know how you would experience this unique situation.